Welcome to my audio library. I'm just going to be uploading things to my Google Drive because when I've uploaded them to YouTube, YouTube has sometimes had an issue with me reading audiobooks for y'all. So this is going to be chapter 11 of No Bad Parts, Embodiment. See the description and click through for the full audio. Thanks so much for reading with me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. No Bad Parts, Healing Trauma and Restoring Wholeness with the Internal Family Systems Model. Written by Richard C. Schwartz, PhD. Read by Sen Naomi Kirst-Schultz. We are on Chapter 11, Embodiment. When your parts start to trust yourself, they open more space for you to be in your body. When that's the case, you feel sensations and emotions more, and consequently you become increasingly interested in keeping your body grounded and healthy. With this enhanced sensitivity to your body's feedback comes increased knowledge about what foods or activities are beneficial and which can be damaging. This leads to corresponding changes in your behavior. In addition, your exiles no longer have to use your body to try to get your attention or punish you for ignoring them because they can get through to you directly.